In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a service which I've come across, Supliful. If you're thinking of starting your own coffee brand, then you need to hear about the benefits of using Supliful. Yes, the title is true. Using Supliful is free. You will be able to launch your coffee company without buying inventory and having the correct storage methods in place in order to keep your coffee beans tasting fresh and nice. Supliful has a range of coffee types for you to choose from, such as Manuka honey coffee, organic hemp coffee, and mushroom coffee fusion. These coffee blends are specialty crafted with unique ingredients and have a distinct flavor profile. By offering specialty coffee beans, you are able to charge higher prices, which means more profit for your business. Take this organic mushroom elixir for example. It costs $75 per bag if you were to purchase this for yourself, but you can get it on Supliful for $19. Supliful also gives you an RRP and some facts about the coffee, which you can add to your website to build customer trust even more and list the benefits of what your customer can expect when drinking your coffee. Supliful allows you to customize your own label, which means you don't have to spend thousands on label manufacturing. You can create a label that perfectly represents your brand and it will be unique to your business. This means you can have a professional looking label that stands out in a crowded market. Supliful gives you 3 options including Canva and Adobe Illustrator in order for you to customize your label and upload it to the website to be put on your coffee bag ready for your customers. This builds brand trust and will lead to reoccurring buyers, and when you have a recognizable label and not a household name, people will think it's a specialty item and are happy to pay higher prices for a quality product. This means you can mark up your prices even more and take much larger profit margins. With Supliful, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on buying and holding inventory. This keeps the beans fresh and vibrant in the right conditions, as it's their responsibility to do so. This is a great advantage as you don't have to worry about wasting inventory when it goes bad, and you can order the beans as per your customer's order from you. This means you don't need a large premises to hold stock, and you don't need to worry about the beans going bad. Supliful takes care of all that for you. If you were to find a grower from a select region, they will require you to order larger quantities of beans, and then the responsibility of keeping them fresh and tasting nice and vibrant falls upon you. Now that's an overview of Supliful, and now you have your label designed, you can go to Shopify and start to create your store. Since you're selling a premium product, make the store simple and sleek. Spend some time on this and do a good job of it. If you can't be bothered or you don't think you can do it, then go onto Fiverr and find someone to make you a professional Shopify store. Take inspiration from other stores, make this one of the top priorities over anything, as this is where the customer is going to give you their money. You can use traffic from Instagram fan pages, such as Coffee Lovers, and there are many more. All you have to do is message them for rates and post your specialty coffee on their pages. Instagram is an excellent platform for marketing specialty coffee blends, as people are always looking for new and unique coffee flavors. Another good platform is Facebook. The demographic for Instagram and Facebook have money and are coffee drinkers. If you find pages with people who want to be the cliche mom influencer, then maybe give them a message as well, or the cliche environmentally friendly person who wants a change in diets or frequently changes diets, give those pages a message as well. To promote your brand on TikTok, you can create engaging and fun videos. For example, you can tie the Bee movie into your Manuka coffee somehow, or use popular CapCut templates and pump out content regularly. TikTok is a powerful platform for promoting your brand, and if you use it right, it can help you reach a wider audience. Although the main demographic for TikTok aren't coffee drinkers, the users of TikTok are only becoming more broad, and it is well worth you using TikTok to your advantage. You can also repurpose your TikToks to Reels and YouTube Shorts for some extra traffic to your website and more eyes on your products. You can have a monthly subscription service, which is easily set up using Shopify. Another upsell you can add is using a print-on-demand service such as mugs and tumblers. All you gotta do is add your logo onto it. These are things which people will buy if they fall in love with your coffee and keep buying it month over month. Shirts are alright, but pick your market. Mugs will work better since your product is used alongside a mug or tumbler. They don't make their coffee and pour it onto a shirt. They pour it into a mug or a tumbler. There are many benefits to using Supliful for your coffee business. Firstly, you have access to a range of specialty coffee blends which you can't get anywhere else. I know I've been specific with each blend, but you can sell all 3 blends and in the market each one separately, and the customer who clicks on the Manuka ad may like the mushroom blend better. Secondly, you can customize your own label, which means you can create a brand identity that stands out. Thirdly, you don't have to worry about buying or holding inventory, which means you can save money and have fresh beans on demand. And last, using Instagram and TikTok to promote your brand can help you reach a wider audience and build a strong brand following with little to no risk. Supliful is an excellent choice for anyone looking to start a coffee business. Once you've built a reoccurring customer base place, you can start to acquire large inventory and add other blends to your range. With a range of specialty coffee blends, customized labels, and easy marketing opportunities, Supliful makes it easy for you to create a successful coffee brand. So what are you waiting for? Give Supliful a try using the link in the description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.